Tierra Blanca, Veracruz, USA. On the evening of October 29, in the La Cuenca del Papalopan region of Veracruz, Mexico, a tornado formed, causing damage in several rural communities in the municipality of Tierra Blanca. Footage shows a powerful vortex forming above ground, accompanied by strong winds and a curtain of dust. According to residents, the tornado caused significant property damage in the communities of San Nicolas, also known as La Barrera, and La Baronda, where homes were damaged, power lines were downed, and trees were toppled. Local authorities confirmed the death of one cow and damage to at least 2 homes.